Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. Metaverse real estate sales to grow by $5 billion by 2026. The real estate market in the metaverse is projected to pass $5 billion by 2026. This is the prediction of the latest metaverse report by Technify, a global market research firm. The report states that the race will be followed by the growth of the metaverse into a mixed reality environment where people can take advantage of these spaces. Metaverse real estate market to grow exponentially as the metaverse becomes a more living, tangible, breathing world. More and more people will be interested in becoming part of its social ecosystem. The real estate market in the metaverse is affected by this popularity. A recent study produced by Technify, a global market survey firm, predicts exponential growth in the volume of these markets. The report, which also studies other factors related to this new market, estimates that the volume of virtual real estate will grow by $5.36 billion by 2026. This is 26. This expansion will be followed by two factors. First, the metaverse will gradually move towards a more mixed reality experience, giving more volume to the platform in which visitors can inhabit, taking annotation and decoding text for different applications benefit for process. The second reason has to do with the popularity of cryptocurrencies, which will make this kind of property more possible and easy to purchase in order to sell or rent, allowing its owners to obtain a passive income. Market challenges and regional traders. However, not all is rosy for the virtual real estate market. It is still an insurgent sector that still has to find its place, as it is very different from the real-world real estate market. Every virtual land will have its own price depending on several factors that are different from case to case, the report status. Virtual land price does not follow the pricing pattern of the physical world. Therefore, the volume of digital sales, including metaverse real estate, will basically depend on how the boys keep their price, the leading to fluctuation. I guess thank you very much. Maybe just this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.